Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about what are microorganisms and classification of microorganisms. Microorganisms are the living organisms that cannot be seen through naked eyes and can only be seen under microscope. Microorganisms can be found on air, water, soil and also inside the body of plants and animals. These tiny living organisms comes in various shapes, forms and structures. For studying them, a proper categorization is really necessary. Thus we classify these microorganisms into 4 major classes: bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. Let's talk about all these in our next video.